Good morning class. Dear student, today we are going to continue your running chapter, that is the inheritance and variation. And the today's topic is contrasting character in pea plant and basics of Mendel's law. It means in this lecture we will discuss about the contrasting characters of pea plant that have taken by the Mendels and the basics of Mendel's law, means those law on which Mendel have experiment and they give some result for us. So let's continue some basics about the Mendel's law and about the Mendel's experiments. First of all, there is a term that is the hybridizational experiment. There is a term that is the hybridizational experiment. So what is the hybridization experiment? Hybridization experiment are those experiments that done by the Mendels. As shown in the whiteboard, the experiment done by Mendels are known as hybridization experiment. Means all those experiments that done by the Mendels known as the hybridization experiment. And Mendel was the first who have involved mathematics in biology for the first time. Because before the Mendels, the mathematics is not involved in science, but Mendel was the first scientist that involved the mathematics calculation in biology. And the Mendels, how many times Mendel experiment? Mendel's experiment for 7 years, means 1956 to 1963. It was 7 years in which Mendel's experiment for the inheritance, heredity, variations and so many other things related to this chapter. So overall Mendel's experiment for the 7 years for their result. Yeah, there is a small things that have not made, but let's discuss. 23rd July 1922. Mendel's birthday. Mendel was born on 23rd July 1922. Why Mendel selected pea plant, garden pea plant for the experiment? There is a question. Means there is a lots of plants, lots of shrubs, herbs and trees. But Mendel why selected only garden pea plant for the experiment? It means something is special for in the pea plant. What are these special things? Pea plant have many contrasting alternating characters. Contrasting means opposite and alternative means some just opposite. Means the pea plant have more than around 7 characters, that is the contrasting and alternating characters. It is easy to the experiment Mendel. It makes the experiment easy of the Mendel. Means Mendel experiment को easy बनाता है क्या? Pea plant के 7 contrasting characters. Except this, there is another thing that Mendel selected the pea plant for the experiment. That is the pea plant is an annual plant. Means in a very short time we have grown lots of generations, and we observe our result as soon as possible. And basically Mendel's experiment for the variations and inheritance, that is totally depend on the sexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction is take place in the flowering plant. So the flowers are most important for this experiment, and the flowers of pea plant is very easy to hold down. Means जो pea plant के flowers होते हैं वो पकड़ने में बहुत आसानी से आ जाते हैं, जिससे हम उनको इमेस्कुलेट कर सकते हैं, जो उसमें हम एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हैं. इमेस्कुलेशन क्या होता है? What is the emasculation? Emasculation is the process of the removing of the all reproductive parts of a flower, such as androecium, gynoecium, corolla, calyx, and stem and filament, anther, and so many other things related to the reproductive part of the flower. So, what is the emasculation? Emasculation is a process for the removing of the reproductive part of a flower. So, Mendel selected the pea plant for the experiment because it is an annual plant and the flowers are very easy to handle it, and in a very small time we can collect a lot of seeds that have grown in the field, and we can easily done our experiment experiment on the lots of plants. Okay. After that, there is another thing that is the character and traits. In earlier classes, we have studied means character or traits are equal. But in this class, we will discuss the difference between the character and the traits. Okay, let's take a character from this side, that is a stem height. Stem height is a character, and it is have two types, that is a tall and dwarf. From these three words, we will generating the definition of the character and traits. Means traits are the two alternating forms of a character. Traits are the two alternating forms of a character. The means क्या होता है कि जैसे कोई एक कैरेक्टर है, ट्रेस उसमें दो अलग अलग फॉर्म होते हैं. मीन्स स्टेम हाइट, प्लांट की स्टेम की हाइट को हमने लिया, उसके दो अल्टरनेटिव कैरेक्टर हैं, एक टॉल एंड एक डॉर्फ, जस्ट अपोजिट. तो ये क्या हो गया, ये कैरेक्टर हो गया और दोनों क्या हो गए, ट्रेट्स हो गए. Then after this is dominance and recessive. What are the dominance and what are the recessive? Dominance are those characters that express in the coming generation, and recessive are those characters that can't express itself in the coming generation. Means suppose that एक मदर एंड फादर है, फादर लंबे हैं, मदर छोटी है, ठीक है. उनका एक बेबी पैदा होता है, बेबी की जो हाइट होती है वो लंबी होती है. मीन जो टॉलनेस का कैरेक्टर था, उसका जो टॉल कैरेक्टर था अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर लिया, लेकिन जो मम्मी का कैरेक्टर था डॉर्फ वाला, शॉर्टनेस वाला, वो अपने आप एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाया. इट मींस पापा का जो कैरेक्टर है वो डोमिनेंट हो गया और मम्मी का जो कैरेक्टर है रिसेसिव हो गया. दूसरा एग्जांपल लेते हैं, मदर फादर है, मदर के बाल जो है ब्राउन कलर के हैं, फादर के ब्लैक कलर के हैं. जो न्यूबॉर्न बेबी पैदा होता है उसके बाल ब्राउन होते हैं. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, जो ब्राउन कैरेक्टर है वो डोमिनेंट हो गया क्योंकि अपने आप को नेक्स्ट जनरेशन में शो कर लिया, एक्सप्रेस कर लिया. बट जो पापा के ब्लैक हेयर से वो कैरेक्टर शो नहीं हुए, वो कैसे हो गए, रिसेसिव हो गए. मींस मदर फादर के जो कैरेक्टर बच्चों में शो होते हैं वो डोमिनेंट होते हैं, और जो कैरेक्टर शो नहीं होते वो क्या होते हैं, रिसेसिव होते हैं. ठीक है. सो दीज आर द सम बेसिक थिंग्स रिलेटेड टू दिस चैप्टर एंड रिलेटेड टू मेंटल एक्सपेरिमेंट. After this, there is a chart that is the most important part of this chapter. On the basis of this mental has selected the pea plant for the experiment. Means mental selected the garden pea plant, that is their botanical name is Pisum sativa. On the basis of these characters, basically there are seven contrasting characters of a pea plant. First is there is a column that is divided into three parts: character, dominant and recessive. It means there is a character and these characters are dominant that express itself in the next generation, and these are the recessive that can't express or weak in expression. So first is the seed stage. Means the seed stage is round and wrinkled. Round shape is always dominant and wrinkled shape is always recessive. Seed color yellow and chapter. So